Hi friends, in this video we are going to install Hadoop. To install Hadoop we required Java version 8 and Hadoop tar file. This is the website where we download Java version 8 and this is the website where we download Apache tar file. I will give this link in the description. Now see, here we go Windows 86-bit and Windows 64-bit. Windows 86-bit refers to 32-bit version of OS. 64-bit refers to 64-bit version of OS. Now here click here, accept, done. Here it will ask for the sign in. I have already created account, so to create account it's completely free. Let's see how to create an account. Here you should give your email ID, password, country India. You can give your name, job title student, working from your phone number, company name. You can give your home address. That's it. You can create the account. The creating account is very simple. Now sign in. Send anyway. See, here it was downloaded Java file. I have already downloaded this file, so I am not downloading this. And Apache, when we go to Apache Hadoop, you can download any one of this. I am downloading 3.3.0. See, you should click on binary arc file. Here should click, right click, then you should click on the mirror link. Then it will ask to download. You should save your file simply. I have already downloaded, so I am not downloaded this file. Downloads. Here these are the two files which I have already downloaded. Simply copy these files, open C drive and paste in the C drive. Before installation of Java, we need to create a folder in the C drive. Simply name Java, refresh. Now let's start the installation of Java file. Java, right click, open, yes, next, when it's come to destination folder, you should change the path. Change, local disk C. This is the Java file which you have created, Java, OK, and next. Open. This is the Java file which you have selected the path. The installation processing is going on. The Java installation has over. Simply close all the files, refresh, open C drive, this PC, C drive. See, this is the Java file which we have created, but in this file we don't have JDK file, so the JDK file will be in program files. Open program files. Here you can find another Java folder. Open Java, simply cut, go back to local disk C on the folder which we have created Java, simply paste. Continue. We have completed the copy and paste task. Now go back to local disk C, program files, and delete this Java folder. Now we need to set the Java home path and Java class path. For this we need to open environmental variables. So open my computers, right click, properties, advanced system settings, then here environment variables. Now click here new, simply type caps lock on Java home, minimize all the screens, window D, open this local disk C, Java folder, JDK, bin, and simply Control X, close, and Control V. Yeah, we created the Java home path. Okay, now go to path, edit, new, copy the same path, and OK, OK, OK. Yeah, refresh. Yeah, we have installed a Java file, and we have set the class path for the Java. So to check whether the Java was installed perfectly or not, we need to open command prompt, type Java C. Yeah, these are the set of functions. So now we can say that Java was completely installed. To check the version, Java space oh sorry yeah, here you can see Java version 1.8.1. So now Java installation is completed. Now it's time to installation of Hadoop. So open again C drive. Yeah, now extract the star file which you have downloaded. Extract here. Yeah, here we can see the 3 errors popping out. Simply ignore these errors. Nothing to worry about these errors. Close, refresh. Yeah, this is the Hadoop file. So simply rename this Hadoop file to Hadoop. Yeah, now we need to configure some Hadoop files. So open Hadoop, etc, again Hadoop. Yeah, there are 5 files which are very important. They are core site.xml, MapReduce site.xml, yarn site.xml, and HDFS site.xml. So I am using one text editor to configure this file, that is Sublime. Yeah, this is the text editor which I am using to configure those files. File, open file. Yeah, it's etc Hadoop. First one was core site.xml. Yeah, this is the last one, core site.xml. Click open. Yeah, here I have already configured this file, so nothing to worry. I will at the starting you will be placed like this. You need to copy and paste this file here. Yeah, this is the file I will provide in the description. You can copy this configure file and you can paste here. This is the core site.xml file. Save. Next one was MapReduce map red site.xml. Simply open. Yeah, here configure, you can see empty configuration. So now open this one in notepad, the copy property to property, simply copy and paste, open file, save. Yeah, another one, third one, yarn site.xml. Yeah, this is the file yarn site.xml. Open. Yeah, see, here also empty. Now go to the notepad file, from property to property, copy and open Sublime. This is the comment, so you can delete it. Delete, Control V and save the file. Save the file. Now another file, fourth file, hdfs site.xml. This is the second one. Now open notepad. Yeah, before pasting this, once you need to create a folder in the C drive. So open this PC, C drive, Hadoop. Here you need to create a new folder, name data. Okay, now in the data, this is the folder which we created. Open the data folder and create a new file, new folder, name node, and another folder, data node. Don't close this folder, just minimize this. Now open this configuration file. This is the hdfs site.xml. So from property to property, copy, simply copy, open this folder and paste. Yeah, here we need to change this file. This is name node, so simply erase this. Yeah, open the folder, name node, Control X, open this one, name node, paste, open file, save. Now data node, delete, just minimize this, go back to data node, open, Control X, minimize, open this and paste here. Check carefully that all the files have been saved. Now we need to open another file, the fifth file, which Control O, Hadoop env.cmd. Here we need to set the Java home path. Just remove this. Now open files, properties, environmental variables, yeah, this is, copy this one, close, and paste it here. Yeah, here no need of pin, only up to 271. Don't forget to save the file. Saving the file is very important. Just minimize this. Now we need to set the again class path to the Hadoop. Open files, properties, advanced system settings, environmental variables, Java home. Now we need to create Hadoop home. Caps lock on. Hadoop home. Just minimize this window D. Open this file. Hadoop bin. Yeah, see Hadoop bin. Copy. Cut this file. Close. Okay. Now go to path, edit, new, again paste. Yeah, you need to create another folder. New. Now go back to files, Hadoop sbin. New sbin. Okay. Okay. Now open Hadoop file. Yeah, in bin you can see some files are missing, so we need to replace with the configuration file. I will provide this file in the description. Extract here. Yeah, this is the file. You can see here we have bin. Yeah, these are the files we need to cut. Simply cut this bin. Cut this bin. Open my computers, Hadoop, and paste it here. Yeah, replace this file in this destination. Yeah, now you can see all the files have been copied. So yeah, now we have to check whether the Hadoop was completely installed or not. To check it, we need to run the command prompt again. Command prompt. Yeah. We need to type a command hdfs space name node space format format. Yeah, it will take some seconds. I have already done this, so it was asking for me by. See, in the starting you can see starting name node. So the name node has been started. Now we need to activate the daemons. So command prompt again. We should go to the directory Hadoop. So we should come back to the C file, cd space dot dot, cd space dot dot. Yeah, let's full screen. Now let's see what are the directories present in the C drive. First folder we need to enter cd space Hadoop. Now let's see what are the directories. Now we should go to sbin, cd space sbin. Now we need to start the daemons. So start all.cmd, simply enter. Yeah, now all the daemons were starting. Yeah, this is the way how to install Hadoop in your system.